It's 1:02 on a Sunday. The fabric of the sky unravels. Angels hover. Anxious fingers worry the tattered edge. Before the boiling of blood and the searing of skin comes a secret catastrophe. Before life on Earth becomes finally nearly impossible, it will, for a long time before, have become completely unbearable. You have driven him away. You must stop moving. Forsake the open road, neither mix nor intermarry. Let deep roots grow. If you do not mingle, you will cease to progress. Seek not to fathom the world and its delicate particle logic. You cannot understand. You can only destroy. You do not advance. You only trample. Poor blind children, abandoned on the earth, groping terrified, misguided over fields of slaughter, over bodies of the slain. Hobble yourselves. There is no Zion save where you are. If you cannot find your heart's desire in your own backyard, you never lost it to begin with. It's 1:03 on a Sunday.